Are you looking for the best budget 3D printers? In this video, we will look at some of the best budget 3D printers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Anycubic Kobra 3 Combo 3D Printer. The ACE Pro delivers filament individually through 4 tubes, shortened filament length during color changing or filament backup. And the ACE Pro supports auto-loading and unloading the filaments to eliminate messes or tangling. The built-in buffer detects nozzle clogs, pausing the print and alerting promptly to effectively protect the machine. The Anycubic Color Engine Pro makes full use of each filament spool, automatically transitions to the next spool of the same color and material, and effectively boosts printing efficiency. The power of dual PTC heating system up to 200 W efficiently circulates air and maintains a consistent temperature of up to 131 degrees Fahrenheit, keeping filaments dry at all times. Print and dry simultaneously for up to 24 hours, ensuring the filament stays dry from the inside out for superior printing quality. At speeds of up to 600 mm per second, the Kobra 3 Combo sets the standard for high-speed printing thanks to its optimized configuration, bolstered computational, and superior cooling system, delivering exceptional efficiency with every print. Number 2. Anycubic Kobra 3 Max 3D Printer. The Anycubic Kobra 3 Max Combo has an ultra-large print volume of 420 mm x 420 mm x 500 mm, enabling effortless creation of full-scale models like helmets, castles, and oversized 3D printed reliefs in multiple colors, with seamless printing that ensures the integrity of your creations. When printing in bulk, the large printing size of the Anycubic Kobra 3 Max Combo enables more models to be printed in each batch, reducing the overall number of printing cycles. This will save time and conserve materials when printing multicolor models in mass production. The Skip Objects function is supported by 3 ends, the app, slicing software, and printer. By utilizing AL recognition for real-time monitoring of the printing process, the system will automatically pause printing and alert the user if any abnormalities, such as spaghetti, are detected in a specific model during bulk printing. This feature helps prevent material wastage and ensures that subsequent models can be printed successfully. The ACE Pro supports standard 4-color printing. By pairing 2 ACE Pro units together, you can achieve brilliant 8-color printing, expanding possibilities for more vibrant and colorful creative projects. Number 3. TRONXY GEMINI S3D Printer. Integrated structure assembled in 2 steps. The whole machine is composed of 2 parts, the upper frame and bottom base, which saves the cumbersome assembly process. High-performance silent motherboard. The ultra-quiet motherboard is equipped with an ARM high-performance processing chip and a TMC ultra-quiet driver, which makes printing processes quieter, more accurate, and more stable. Intelligent memory power. Failure resume printing. Intelligent printing. Automatically remember the printing progress and restart the machine to resume printing in breakpoint after power off. Warning of broken filament detection. GEMINI S is equipped with a high-sensitivity material broken detector. Once a material broken occurs, it will automatically stop printing and emit a warning sound. Equipped with Titan extruder compatible with various consumables. GEMINI S uses Titan extruder, suitable for all kinds of filaments, such as PLA, ABS, PETG, wood, TPU. Number 4. Creality Ender 3v3 Plus 3D Printer. Creality Ender 3v3 Plus offers a 11.81 by 11.81 by 12.99 inch printing size, which is 58% larger than Ender 3v3. It allows you to print larger size item in one piece, print more small parts in one batch, which is greatly increasing printing efficiency and offering more creative possibilities. Creality Ender 3v3 Plus 3D Printer can print at up to 600 mm per second with acceleration 2000 mm per square second, 12 times faster than most of printers on the market. The X and Z axis are rigged together, allowing 2 high-torque motors to work in unison for quick response in the blink of an eye. It can reach the speed from 0 to 600 mm per second within 0.03 seconds. The XZ timing belts are tensioned automatically. Belt slips or jams now become a thing of the past. No worry about the jams or slips. The Z-axis can position more accurately than ever. It is less than 15 micrometer. It means minimal Z-banding in your 3D prints. The auto-calibration gets everything ready for you. No need to pull a paper or turn any leveling nuts. It can auto-level and auto-Z offset, which helps you save time in leveling process without any trouble. It will do the calibration, auto Z offset and auto leveling, and auto input shaping test before you start to print. Easily start to print. The direct drive extruder of Ender 3V3 Plus is enhanced by a bolster spring and a ball plunger. It grips on filament tightly without slackening off. It fulfilled the 1000H plus clog-free extrusion. 60-watt hot-end ceramic heater surrounds the hot end. It can heat from 0 to 300 degrees within 75 seconds. It can fully melt PLA, TPU, PETG, ABS, PLACF, PETGCF, CR carbon and other high-temp filaments on the fly. The durable steel-tipped copper nozzle is integrated with a titanium alloy heat break. LT blocks heat creep and can be swapped super easily. Number 5. Anycubic Kobra S1 3D Printer. The ACE Pro comes standard with humidity presets for various types of filaments. Simply select your desired filaments and wait for the perfect result. Dual PIC heating module plus 360 degrees hot air circulation drying technology ensures even heating of the filaments, keeping them in optimal printing condition at all times to create the perfect model. The ACE Pro features 4 slots, effortlessly tackling basic 4-color printing. When 2 ACE Pros are combined, you can then unleash 8-color printing to bring you even more unimaginable possibilities. Each filament spool is stored separately in its own slot, greatly reducing the chances of tangling due to filament retraction. Additionally, it includes a built-in buffering mechanical system to quickly detect filament entanglement and blockages, automatically pausing printing and displaying a notification to ensure a safe printing process. Input the filament information before printing, and when one filament spool is completely depleted, it will continue to feed from the spool with the exact same material and color. The seamless integration of the ultra-stable Core XY construction, dual motor drive, and Kobra OS system greatly minimizes vibrations duping printing, enhancing the responsiveness and precision of the extruder. This results in a smoother and more precise printing process.